I have never been in an all-female flight crew before, but things are about to change now. Hello, my name is Adachi Uchendu from Adachi Uchendu's La Dress. This show is all about travel review, and this is where we do all things, anything and everything travel. They are Airline's first all-female flight crew. This flight, it's not going to be your typical 1 hour everyday flight, but quite unlike any other in Nigeria's history. The captain is going to be a female, the first officer is going to be a female, the cabin crews are all female, the engineer that will be signing out the aircraft is also going to be a female, even the dispatchers. We will be flying from Lagos, Abuja, Owerri, back to Abuja, then Lagos. Actually, it will be the first time a Nigerian airline will parade all indigenous female flight crew flying on the female named aircraft Alice Onyema with registration number 5 November Bravo Quebec Papa. This is unprecedented. As the flight prepares for its historic moments, La Dress had the rare privilege of sharing some intimate and exciting moments with them before they soar high into the aviation history book.
It's overwhelming. I've gotten a lot of support, phone calls and all that, so there's a lot of paparazzi. History is about to happen in Epis. This is the first time we're having an all-female crew on the Boeing 737, and actually this is my first time flying with a female captain, so I'm excited to fly with her.
Simisola Ajibola, Quincy Owens, Rosemary Uwabo, Obakarite George, and Chidinma Chimezie. These are highly trained professionals, remarkable women that will be flying Nigeria into the aviation history book. You can see them, they are in high spirits despite the rain, the weather. On board this aircraft will be business travelers, holiday makers, people visiting friends and family, and these women will be responsible for their safety.
It's exciting to know that there will be men on board today. Some might be worried, but at the end of the day, it's going to be the same smooth flight and the same professionalism everybody's going to give to them.
She's a very good pilot, and I know, this flight is going to be the smoothest ever.
Yes, friends, colleagues, yes, we are.
Yes.
But it wouldn't affect the work we're about to do today.
The moment she calls for pre-flight, we leave all the friendship aside, and I have to respect the fact that she's my captain. So whatever pictures or any paparazzi we try to do, once she calls for a pre-flight checklist, I stop it and I have to give it to her.
Okay, you're excited about today?
I am. I've actually jump-seated on a flight before severally when she was on the right seat, and I said to myself, oh gosh, this girl can fly,
Will your father be coming?
Not for this flight.
She comes from a family of all pilots. Her father, except her mom, but her father, her brother,
my sister is not a
okay,
pilot.
her sister, yeah, but
Okay.
they're all, I think, 5 of them.
Okay.
4 brothers, me, my father, so that's 6.
Six of them.
Okay.
Yeah, 6 of them.
But my mom knows everything about aviation,
Really?
When we're just in at home, she can say, oh, who was that captain? Was it this? Was it that? So yeah.
You have anybody in your family that flies?
Yeah, my brother is a pilot also,
It's
but not
alright.
as much as Simi's family.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Nigeria is proud of you, girls.
Thank you.
The chairman of the airline came along with his family before the plane took to the sky. He proudly presented the crew to passengers, telling about their resilience and the wonderful work they are doing, especially in a highly male-dominated field. But this Nigeria's biggest airline is working hard to change all that by promoting gender equality in the nation's aviation industry and projecting Nigerian women as capable of standing tall among both their male and female counterparts across the world.
Everything's still going to be normal, but having someone who has lipstick as me on my left is
it affects the way we operate the aircraft though. It's still the same professionalism you get, if not more. So eyebrows don't affect the way we fly. Definitely not.
The aircraft took off from the General Aviation Terminal of Muritala Mohammed Airport, Lagos, days after the airline produced its first female captain, Simisola Ajibola. The flight, the airline said, was in her honor and landed in Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport at about 3:30 p.m. local time. The fact that the flight was piloted by all females sure got the attention and loud applause from passengers on touching down. Attention she hopes will help inspire others to dream big. You can see the plane making her way to the tarmac towards the already stationed fire trucks waiting for the flight's heroic arrival. That's a little treat prepared for them by the Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria Fire Department, and let's see as it happens. Wow, look at that! Spectacular water cannon salute. Over 3,000 gallons of water were shot over the plane, showering affection on these women, saluting the plane and creating an arc as she passed through. Definitely fitting and very touching moment for me and all the passengers on board. It signifies honor, it signifies respect. This is an important moment for these women, for all African women and women all over the world. This is also an important day for AP's Airlines as well. It is a mark of success, definitely a mark of success. Wonderful show of affection there. It is really beautiful, and the flight was no less thrilling. It was the first time a Nigerian airline will be deploying a high-capacity aircraft like the Boeing 737 with only Nigerians in charge. You can see them, the female captain and first officer, they were the first to come out, and a rousing welcome by airport workers, passengers, government officials, aviation regulators, and other well-wishers. It's very good because it gives me pleasure to see Nigerian women, the pilots. It's a great privilege. And the chairman is so proud of them. It's inevitable for airline with about 2,000 employees and 1,500 of them are female.
I want this country to start trusting women and start trusting the affairs of our nation in the hands of women. If they could have us in their wombs for 9 months and pass through the pains of bringing us to this mother earth, I believe there's nothing we men can do they cannot do. And with APIS, we have proved that. 85% of our management, that is those heading every department, are women. Just few, Director of Flight Operations, myself as the chairman, and the chief pilot. The rest are women. In the last 3 years, we've created about over 2,000 direct jobs working in APIS. I'm glad to tell you that about 1,500 of them are women. So APIS is an airline being run by women. A lot of people are believing in us, indirectly believing in our women. So today, Captain Simisola Ajibola and Quincy Owen as first officer led the all-female crew right from Lagos. We want to encourage them. This is the first time in this country that an airline is parading an all-female first indigenous crew. We're not talking about foreign pilots. This is the first time in Nigeria that you have an all-female cockpit crew flying. So we are very proud of celebrating this history. And in celebrating this, we are challenging other youths out there that you can be the next Captain Simisola Ajibola.
From Abuja, the aircraft flew into Sam Mbakwe Cargo International Airport, Owerri, the heartland of the nation, and touched down at 6 p.m. local time, receiving another rousing welcome by passengers and a shower of affection.
If I was told, I will give a shot. I'll try. I would love to encourage the females, the upcoming ones, and it's a great feeling to be part of history, and also we want to appreciate them, see them, give them a handshake and a thumb up, because we are all satisfied with the services.
On ground Owerri to already expectant airport workers and excited passengers as they troop out to welcome the flight. The atmosphere is electrifying. You can see them. You have a lot of passengers at the tarmac taking pictures, selfies to document the memorable moments. Now you know there is more to women than eyebrows and lipsticks.
This is my best flight ever.
Both her takeoff and her landing was so perfect. With what we've seen so far, I think every girl child should at least they should be on their feet, knowing that they can do whatever the men can do.
We're very proud of her. We the women, it was a very smooth flight. The landing was exceptional. So we applaud her, and we encourage other women to take up from there. We're really very proud of her.
This is an inspirational flight for me, and I know this achievement will pave way for many young girls, especially those dreaming to becoming a pilot someday.
It's just a way to show the world that what a man can do, I wouldn't say a woman can do better. I'll say a woman can equally do so as not to start a war. But yes, what a man can do, a woman can as well do. History was made, and I'm excited to be part of it.
Congratulations, Simi. Congratulations, Quincy. The sky is just your starting place, and it goes to prove that women can excel in anything they set their minds to, whether it's in a highly male-dominated industry or not. Thank you very much for watching.